3, 2, 1.
What is the first mobile phone call made by? The answer is A. Martin Cooper, a Russian author who wrote Crime and Punishment. Who am I? The answer is C. Fyodor Dostoevsky. From which group of Native Americans do we get the word tippy? The answer is D. Dakota. Which asteroid was visited by NASA OSIRIS-REx spacecraft? The answer is D. Eros. Which furniture piece usually has casters? The answer is A. Table. What instrument do you play by hitting drumheads with drumsticks? The answer is C. Drums. What is a type of pencil case? The answer is B. Box. Which ocean does the Amazon River flow into? The answer is B. Atlantic. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? The answer is D. Antoine Lavoisier. Which brand of paper is the quilted Quicker Picker-Upper? The answer is B. Bounty. Ground subsidence is a consequences of the overuse of what? The answer is B. Groundwater. Which of the following devices relies on electromagnetic radiation in the radio wave region of the spectrum for operation? The answer is C. Cellular telephone. Which law states that action and reaction forces always occur in pairs, acting on different objects? The answer is C. Newton's third law. When she was a child, Lindsay Lohan appeared along with Bill Cosby in a commercial for what food product? The answer is C. Jell-O. Which part of a plant does photosynthesis occur in? The answer is B. Leaves. Which of these vehicles has a propeller instead of wheels? The answer is B. Plane. Which city is famous for its tailors who create made-to-measure suits? The answer is D. Paris. Which of the following artists painted Jean Pissarro? The answer is B. Van Rysselberg. What is the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 under 1,000? The answer is C. 2,545. Who holds the record for the deepest free dive? The answer is A. Ahmed Gabr. What is in the bathroom for personal hygiene? The answer is D. Towel. What are algae that live in colonies of hundreds of cells called? The answer is B. Volvox. Who is known for creating the Persian miniature painting style? The answer is D. Miniaturists. Which astronomical event occurs when a planet passes between the Earth and the Sun? The answer is B. Solar eclipse. What is the name of the Kansas City baseball team whose stadium the Quartet pass on their journey in the novel Wizard and Glass? The answer is C. Monarchs. Carlos was playing on a slide on a sunny summer day. Which property of the slide tells Carlos how much energy the slide absorbed from the sun? The answer is D. The temperature. This basketball Hall of Famer was known for 22 years as the Clown Prince of the Globetrotters, a team upon which he left his mark as a player. His first name was Meadowlark. What is his last name? The answer is C. Lemon. Which video game series features a world where you can drive, fly, or boat? The answer is C. Grand Theft Auto. Goblet of Fire started a series of deaths in the books. Who died in Goblet of Fire? The answer is A. Cedric Diggory. What's the protective clothing in boxing called? The answer is C. Gloves. Which is the world's highest peak? The answer is C. K2. What has to be broken before you can use it? The answer is C. Wood. What former NFL player appears in a Season 2 episode of Magnum, P.I.? The answer is A. Dick Butkus. Which scientist discovered DNA structure? The answer is A. Rosalind Franklin. According to laboratory safety guidelines, what should students do if they get chemicals in their eyes? The answer is B. Rinse their eyes out with water. Each organism inherits one of what item for each gene from each parent? The answer is C. Allele. Which member of the RB group Destiny's Child was born on July 23, 1980? The answer is D. Michelle Williams. Which feature of Great Basin National Park provides the best evidence that glaciers have moved over the landscape? The answer is D. Piles of rocky debris. Which specialized toilet is designed to be used only for urination? The answer is C. Urinal. In Sengoku Monogatari, who is the consort and tutor to the young emperor, Shiyuki? The answer is B. Shure. What is the element with the atomic number 83? The answer is C. Tin. The Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers merge into which river? The answer is A. Mekong. A narrow floor and steep sides are characteristic of what stage of valley evolution? The answer is D. Youthful stage. Not all structural rearrangements of chromosomes produce non-viable, impaired, or infertile individuals. In rare instances, such a change can result in the evolution of what? The answer is A. New species. Which psychological term refers to a person's conscious mind? The answer is A. Conscious. The closing scene in the last episode of The X-Files showed Mulder and Scully in a motel, finally together after everything they had endured. Where was the motel located? The answer is A. Roswell, NM. Which NHL team got its name from a Disney film? The answer is A. The Anaheim Ducks. What is Alan Rickman's birth date? The answer is A. February 21, 1946. What is the measure of a supplementary angle to a right angle? The answer is D. 360 degrees. What does erosion do to pieces of broken rock?